Hello, this is Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Grand Design Reflection Travel Trailer, 285 BHTS. Bunk bed model, 230-pound tanks, power tongue jack, single slide out, full pass-through storage with magnetic clips, friction hinge door, aluminum 3 entry step, hookup for an outside TV. You have an outside kitchen, refrigerator, 2-burner range, large rear storage, a receiver for maybe a bike rack or extra storage bin, rear ladder, and you're prepped for a backup camera. Electric stabilizer jacks. .50 amp service. You have 2 air conditioners. Your pass-through storage. Convenience center. You are also prepped for solar charge. This brand new 2019 Grand Design Reflection has got outside speakers and a full-length power awning with support arm. Got a dry weight of 7,470 pounds. Linoleum throughout. King U-shaped dinette. Nice large refrigerator. Flush mount sink and range. Large oven. You do have a countertop extension. Glass front cabinet doors. You have a convection microwave oven. Lots of countertop space and drawers for storage. Large TV. Sleeper sofa. With overhead cabinetry. Side hallway. A pocket door for your bathroom. Large shower. The overhead skylight. Queen walk-around bed. Good wardrobe space. You do have drawers and another wardrobe here. You're prepped for a bedroom TV as well. Your bunk area in the back does have a privacy door. Lots of drawers, storage area, large bunk beds, each one with your own light. Again, prep for another TV in the bunk area as well. This brand new 2019 Grand Design Reflection Travel Trailer. Located in Yorktown, Virginia at Dodd RV. Please give me, Scott Hudgins, a call today. Set up a time to come see it in person. Thank you. Have a nice day.